Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in LiteFinance. First step is to open your browser. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in LiteFinance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now you need your email or your phone number with a password. So type in your email. Now type in your password. Now if you click on this box, then you are saving the information on your browser. You can leave it as unchecked if you are logged in from public network. If you forgot your password, you can click on this link and reset your password. If you want to log in directly through your Google account or Facebook account, you can click on this link. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on registration and create a new account. Now click on sign in, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in LiteFinance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.